Hey everybody, welcome back to Andrew Plus You. Today we're at King's Dominion here in Doswell, Virginia. It's opening weekend. No long intro. Let's go check the park out. All right, so King's Dominion shuts down now. This was the first year they didn't have Winterfest, and Winterfest was their version of a Christmas Magic Winter Wonderland. They didn't have it this year. Rumor has it that they'll be bringing it back. So it's been shut down for the last 3 months, making this the opening weekend. And the crowd's slowly pouring in right now. It will be a busy day. It's supposed to be 75 degrees and gorgeous. We're gonna ride some new rides today. We're gonna check out, here we are on International Street. And I don't know, the park's just gorgeous. All right, the park is not packed out. It's it's wide open. So we're gonna get a ride Pantherian before it gets crazy. Now, fun fact, my daughter's never been here before. I take it back. She came for a New Year's Eve party 2 years ago, but they didn't do that last year. I haven't been here since high school. I think that was back in the 1800s. I feel you judging me, but here we are. So it's kind of like I'm learning the park for myself. Y'all are learning along with me. All right, so I lied. Pantherian's not even testing. You can see back in the trees vaguely where it is. It's not running yet. The park's open, but it's not. So we're gonna go to another ride that I've still not had a chance to ride, Rapterra. I don't know. What do you guys think about Rapterra?
So much fun.
Yeah? All right, it's so much fun. I'll be the judge of that.
Rapterra was just built last year. It's 1 year old. I didn't make it a single time to King's Dominion, and I regret that I didn't. This ride is absolutely amazing. My daughter even had a blast on it. I have neck issues, and it was so smooth. I feel like $1 million, and I'm about to go ride it again.
And as we walk down International Street, what kind of guy would I be if I didn't take you to the candy shop? This reminds me, man, I haven't been to King's Dominion in so long, and I'm pretty ignorant on this park. We're going to be learning the park together, but I do remember this Snoopy merch. So in this park is this park's divided into 6 areas. I'll show you on a map here. And each area has its own theme. It is the largest, I believe, like Snoopy themed location in the world, which is kind of amazing.
Well, Pantherian wasn't running. It wasn't testing. We rode Rapterra. It was absolutely amazing. And we looked over here, and it's up and running. Oh man, look at these happy faces. It's about to be me. Let's go check out Panther. All right, so Pantherian was a bust. We're 1 car away, and it shuts down for maintenance. I believe they were having an issue with the wheels. It's fine. Fingers crossed we can get back on it. So I have never been on a Giga Coaster. Giga Coaster, by definition, is a roller coaster that stands over 300 feet tall, which it does. My Savannah, my daughter, she hasn't ridden one either. So fingers crossed we can get on there. In the meantime, we're gonna go get some food right now. We're gonna head to.
So we've opted for some Italian, and by Italian I mean I guess pizza. Looks like they got pepperoni cheese, pasta meatballs, breadsticks, and I guess some healthy fruit cups, salads, cannolis, parfait, and a baked cookie.
So here's a standard pizza meal. I would recommend, if you're coming with your family, I would say anywhere from 3 to 5 times on the season, and you know that you're going to eat 1 to 2 meals, get the all season meal plan. I'm going to post that right there. Check that out. So I don't have the price on there, but I can just tell you it's right around $100. Almost exactly $100. So $100 add-on to your plan. You get to eat twice, 2 meals, which includes a side. Drinks not included. Those are on a drink plan, which I'll show you here in a second. But you get the side, you get an entree, and it's $100. You get a lunch, and then you can eat again 4 hours later. So if you get to the park late and eat at 5 o'clock and the park closes at 9, you only get 1 meal. But if you get to the park early and you eat at 11 o'clock, you can eat again at 3 o'clock. So it's a really good deal, 2 meals each visit for the season until the season expires December 31st. The drink plans actually come in 3 packages, and I will show them right here. So you got a paper cup plan, you've got a souvenir cup plan, and then you have a plan that includes coffees and ices. The price on each one of these plans is $39.99, so we'll say $40 add-ons. So for $40, you get drinks for the whole season. I believe there's a 15-minute cool down between refills. So once again, if you're gonna come and drink a lot of soda or ices or coffee, I would recommend getting that plan. All right, food was outstanding. Right now we're gonna, I don't know, we're gonna settle our digestion down by shooting some Ghost over here at Boo Blasters. It's an interactive shooting laser game. I've never done it, never done any of this stuff before. I'll tell you. All right, so this is what the ride looks like. You're supposed to shoot things with blue lights.
With blue lights?
Yes.
Okay.
Like these. Oh, the bad guy, his name is Lucifer. Alright, so we're making our way back to Pantherian, and what we are encountering is Planet Snoopy, and I just wanted to showcase this place because this place is where you bring kids, toddlers, smaller ones. They even have their own roller coaster. Look at that. Pretty cool. They get shows, children's shows, entertainment, bumper cars, teacups, Snoopy Junction. That's like a choo-choo train, you know. So if you have kids and you're like, I don't know, I don't want to bring my kids to the park because they're too small. Well, I mean, y'all can hang out here. Oh man, it's a small world. Ran into my boy Coaster Chris.
What's up?
So this guy right here, he has platforms, TikTok, YouTube. I'm gonna put a link to his channel below. He does all things roller coasters, and we all love roller coasters. I'm trying to get on Pantherian today. I have never ridden a Giga.
Get hydrated.
Get hydrated.
Yeah, you need to get hydrated.
All right, I'm gonna get hydrated. So I don't know, my boy Coaster Chris, give him a follow.
Thanks.
All right, so I didn't get to ride it again. I don't even know what to do with myself right now. Like that ride is the cursed ride. My first Giga coaster. Maybe next year it'll be my first Giga coaster, but it's not going to be today. So I don't know what happened. They're running one car. There's probably what would be an hour wait on a normal day with 2 cars running, 3 cars running, but it's one car. So they're putting, I don't know what the turnaround on that ride is, but they're putting, let's say 20 people in every 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and ridiculous. I'm just rambling. And I'm rambling because I'm sad. And I'm sad because, Mandy, how do you feel right now?
I wasn't gonna ride it anyway, so I'm not too bummed.
She's devastated. All right, new area of the park uncovered. This area is called Candy Apple Grove, and it's known for its candy apples in the grove. That's what I'm getting from it. What do you think?
I think that is.
What's your favorite thing in Candy Apple Grove?
Not the candy apples.
Not the candy apples? What about the pizza? That looks like a good pizza spot.
Candy apples and the pizza.
All right. We're making our way over to the VIP lounge, which you get if you have a prestige membership. Speaking of memberships, I'm going to put some up on the screen right now. And this is the pricing currently for memberships. Currently right now, the Prestige Pass grants access for all seasons to include Haunt, which is the Halloween festivities here, King's Dominion. So does the Gold Pass. And right now the Gold Pass, as you can see, is being sold for the exact same price as the Silver Pass for a temporary time only. All right, so part of what you just saw in membership perks for Prestige Passes only is access to this building right here behind me, Old Dominion Inn, VIP Lounge. All right, so it appears that the downstairs area of the VIP Lounge is where it's got it going on. I mean, they have TV set up, a lot of people hanging out down here, and snacks. If you have the drink rewards program, you can get beverage, but they have snacks. What in the world could this be? Is that a business card for Andrew plus you? Oh man, what do we have here? Nothing to see here. All right, so this is the upstairs of the VIP lounge, and there is plenty of seating space. But that's not even the coolest part. Being sniped. There's a balcony. Let's go check this out. That door was locked. And comfortable chairs, tables. You know what? I'm gonna hang out for a second. I mean,
This is something Busch Gardens should consider, I think. A VIP lounge.
Time for Grizzly, another roller coaster here at the park. By the way, there's 13 roller coasters here at King's Dominion, and I will, I guess, be showing them right here. And they range in thrill levels from family friendly to extreme giga coaster. Oh wait, yo, look! Hey, look, celebrity running the coaster. Here we have As I Fall, Salt Bay. Hit me with the salt bag. Bam!
Let's make some room.
All right, the famous King's Dominion singing mushrooms.
Here we go. Hello, hello, hello. He likes to tinkle on an old piano. He likes to play it in a subtle manner. He knows he'll always be the top banana with a handful of keys.
Try to get on the carousel. Man, I don't know. This guy's doing something, but I'm gonna ask about this fast lane because I'm not trying to wait in that kind of line. All right, next up on the old ride list, we're gonna head to the backlot stunt coaster. I guess it's presented by Skittles. So how about that, Mandy? Where are we located in the park right now?
We're at Jungle Expedition.
Jungle Expedition. I feel like that's where we've been most of the day.
There's quite a few coasters here.
Jungle Expedition is a popular area. What we're going to try to go ahead and get is the car coming out of Stunt Coaster. It's going to get right under us. And I have been recording for approximately 28 seconds. That sounds like it's coming right now. All right, so we just got off of Twisted Timbers. And on the day, granted, I didn't get Pantherian in at all. This is arguably my favorite ride of the park. I've got a Giga Coaster left to try, but Twisted Timbers is amazing. All right, well, here's something I learned today. There's a couple of unique shops that are here. This being antique photography, which is cool because you get to dress up and take old-timey black and white photos, sepia-type photos. Rita's, one of my favorite ices in the world because they have custard that you can put in the middle. So good. And if you happen to come here with the family and you want to make custom t-shirts. All right, so here we are walking around, and I was looking for a drink, and so I went to the app. The Six Flags app used to be the King's Dominion app. Now it's Six Flags app. Download it. If you're going to come all season, even if you're going to come for one visit, download the app. It'll save you all of the time looking for the shows, the show times, the entertainment options, the food options, where everything is. I need to know where our restroom is, right? I'm going to show you a picture right there. That blue arrow, it's showing you even which direction you're walking. It's flawless. It's wonderful. Get it. Also on the app, if you are a member, Prestige, Gold, Silver, doesn't matter the tier, and you buy add-ons like the food package or the drink package, it's attached to your ticket in the app, so everything is inclusive, and you can see all of your add-ons. The app is convenient. Download it before you even get to the park. The fountains, as you walk into this park and out of this park, are just absolutely beautiful. So that was our trip to King's Dominion here in Doswell, Virginia. We had a wonderful day. It's opening weekend, so to be expected, there's still some kinks in the park that need to be worked out. There were some rides that were going down, some maintenance that needed to be done. The entertainment, the shows are lacking right now. They did have a show in the Snoopy world where the kids can be entertained, families can enjoy that. But the adult shows, there's a super show coming. It's like a Cirque du Soleil kind of show. It's not happening yet, but it's coming very, very soon. I'll be back to record that show for you. But right now, they've got some things to do. There's still plenty to do in the park. We've been busy and occupied all day long. Had an amazing time. If you learned anything, if you want to know anything about the park, I'm still learning myself, drop a question in the comments below. If you like the video, like it, comment, subscribe, say something. If you have a criticism, say, Andrew, try this. I'd like to know more about this. I'm open to these suggestions, and I'm going to make videos about them in the future. If you like the video, just say, hey, I like the video. I love you guys. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video.